everyone. Today I will edit this photo. This is a picture of a waterfall taken on my Redmi Note 8. It's a WAV file, so it has all the details in it. It's not blown out actually. So that's the power of a WAV file. Let's start with the exposure. Increase the whites because the water is white. If you reduce it, it will look dull. You have to control it through exposure first. Then increase the vibrance because the WAV files have very less saturation. Decrease the saturation. I'm gonna add shot. Okay. I'm gonna remove this magenta tint from photo, and I'm gonna light up the greens, light up the yellows. Okay, that one looks just fine. I'm gonna decrease the clarity to -30, increase the texture, add some dehaze, add some haze actually, not dehaze. Increase sharpness, masking, chromatic aberration not required. Let's play with the colors now. In the color grading tab, here we can add some blues to the shadows like the rocks and the shadows in between the trees. Yes, that's enough. We can introduce some yellows in the highlights and mid-tones. I would go with this one, but I'm gonna keep it a very little bit. Okay. I'm gonna differentiate between blues and yellows. Sorry, blues and greens, because they look the same in this picture. This is before and this is after. So let's go to tone curve and make some adjustments here. This one looks good, but there's the color grade is missing. So let's add some cyan to the shadows, add some blues to the shadows, and then greens. As you can see, the greens are way too saturated now, so reduce it and what we can do here is we can change the hue of the blue tone in the shadows. So it's too much of cyan right now. I might need to try this with this one. This one is pretty good. I can flip it and crop it to 4:5. there is some plastic in the foreground. I have to remove it. That is way too big. This one looks fine. So this is the before, this is the after. I will share the preset for you to download in the description, so make sure to check out, and thank you for watching.